Hi there, this video is next week's precarious, uncertain, wet weather forecast UK 25. Like the video, press thumbs up on the right side of the screen. The date today is 25th of May. Sunday morning, guys, 25. So this is my forecast next week across the UK. Place your interest today with the upper global heat temperature with the west coast of South America, east and central and west Pacific region. Upper global situation across the north Pacific Ocean interest today. The upper global situation across the North Atlantic will interest today. With the west coast of Africa, upper global situation today. And the Gulf of Mexico, upper global situation today. Wow, wicked. So my prediction is we're in for at least 6 to 10 hurricanes across the Atlantic this year. And maybe 6 to 12 hurricanes across the East Pacific Ocean, and at least 10 typhoons on the Western Pacific Ocean. It will be very active hurricane season. Moderate, not hyperactive, I don't think. We should be balanced between the Atlantic and the Pacific Ocean. We might have 3 major hurricanes across the Gulf of Mexico around here this year, across the Atlantic Ocean. Maybe we want to hit toward New York like Hurricane Sandy. It's all to play for hurricane season across the Atlantic this year. This is my forecast for you Americans. I talk about the upper global situation getting very warm around the UK at the moment. It seems so warm this spring. It's been the warmest springs and driest springs I think on record that we recorded. We'll have to see what this is after the Met Office. That's the upper global situation today, which is today. Talk over. This is the American 12 GFS model prediction for the future with the weather for the UK. We talk about high pressure in the UK. Unsettled at times. I don't think this is going to be that wet for the first week of June. I think this is unlikely to be very precarious. I don't think you should get reliable in forecast for rain because of southeast sub-regions. I'm afraid to say the drought will continue because of southeast sub-regions. We are not done with this dry weather. We are going to see more hot heat spikes of at least 30 Celsius, potentially 38 Celsius coming summer, or 25 for June and July and August. For farmers and growers, I precariously advise you to put leaf mulch on standby and water butts on standby. There is no point in relying on this forecast for rain. It's unreliable this bank holiday weekend. It hasn't been so much rain across the southeast and southern regions. Very little rain. We are still heading towards a drought this summer. This is my forecast. You can see here what the American chart the FS model is going on. It's not reliable that rain. This is the upper air temperature for the future across the UK widely. You see it's going to be upper air temperature 10 plus, upper air temperature. That's the 9th of June. This far ahead is what we call fancy forecasting. It's not reliable. This is the upper air temperature across Western town locally with all the GFS models. You can see what's going on there. The red lines are 30-year upper air average. The red lines are upper air average temperature, with the 30-year average temperature, and the white lines are the temperature going. And you see it is going down for the last few days of May, and going back above average. And staying above average quite a lot, a little bit down on the 3rd of June, but it's staying above it. The operation run, that's a green run, it's going quite high up to at least 15 nearly, or 10, so it looks like it might be quite hot the first week of June, or 25. It might not be that cool and wet, but we'll see. It's all to play for. I'm down here, rainfall spikes, there will be some heavy thundery showers and some elusive rainstorms. I can't rely on them too much, guys. This is the forecast, the Met Office coming week. Next week, this is bank holiday Monday tomorrow, looking pretty unsettled in the afternoon. It's dry today. It was looking a wet Sunday, I think, originally. It keeps changing the forecast feature. Like I said, this rain here Tuesday and Wednesday might not be that bad. It might be quite dry. And same on Thursday. And it just stays dry, I'm afraid, in the future. And the rain in the future, the first week of June, now I'm not so certain. The American GFS models were wobbling on the idea of wet weather for the first week of June. Now it's gone away with the idea. This is the southeast southern regions that might be wet in the northwest of the UK. And this is the forecast right now. Talking about heavy thundery showers coming in here across East Anglia right now. They're not thunder and lightning, just heavy rain showers heading towards Colchester and towards Clacton-on-Sea right this minute, guys. My police, it isn't Clacton-on-Sea. Norwich is quite dry here in Norfolk on the holiday. It's quite dry, a bit cloudy, not the warmest. That's what it's doing across America right now. You can see it's unsettled, thunderstorms there, and potential tornadoes. I wouldn't be surprised. You can see there. There's lots of thunderstorms here. Dramatic weather. There might be some tornadoes, F1 to F3. Can't rule it out across those states in America. And down here, around here. At least Scri's on Sanjay. At least Scri's on Sanjay. I'm one of the best weathermen in the What universe. I'm always 85% right. I see the future better than any weatherman in the universe. In the What universe, let alone across the planet Earth. You've got one of the best weathermen here in the What universe. He's watching my channel. He's Scri's my channel. Get all your answers on to Scri's my channel. I'm here 24 hours a day on YouTube. I'm one of the best weathermen in the What universe. No one could do it like me. No one could beat my forecasts. I dare anyone to have a go. He's Scri's on Sanjay. Believe me, of course. He's Scri's on Sanjay.